Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Snapchat account with SnapInc, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your Snapchat account, start by opening the Snapchat app on your device. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Your Password. You will be prompted to choose how you want to reset your password. Select either via phone or via email. If you choose via phone, enter the phone number linked to your account. Tap on Send Code to receive a verification code. Check your messages for the code, then enter it in the app. If you select via email, enter the email address associated with your account. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Snapchat. Click the link in the email to reset your password. After accessing the reset link, enter your new password. Confirm the new password by re-entering it as prompted. Once your password is successfully reset, return to the login screen. Enter your username or email and the new password to log in. If you're still having trouble accessing your account, go back to the login screen. Tap on Need Help, located at the bottom of the page. This will redirect you to the SnapInc support page. Browse through the FAQs or type your issue into the search bar for more support. To use the recovery form, click on I can't access my account. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary information about your account. After submitting the form, wait for a response from Snapchat. Be sure to check your email for any updates or requests for additional information. In case your account was hacked, consider enabling two-factor authentication once you regain access. This will add an extra layer of security to your Snapchat account. Be proactive about securing your email and phone number linked to Snapchat. Monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to recovering your Snapchat account with SnapInc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.